guys, welcome back. For this video I am gonna show you a marble pound cake. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Look at this cake, it's super soft and delicious. Let's start. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs. A third cup of evaporated milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it. For the solid part, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using this kind of flour, no need to sift. 3/4 cup sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Like and comment your thoughts, I wanna know your reaction. Pour the liquid mixture and combine. Sorry, I almost forgot the butter. 1/2 cup of butter. Mix it all together. Add a little bit of condensed cream, a chocolate flavor. One tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add at least small amount of batter. Grease oil to your loaf pan. Baking paper. Make your first layer. Prepare for the second layer. One tablespoon of cocoa powder. the second layer. And lastly, the plain batter. Preheat oven into 160 degrees Celsius. 40 minutes cooking time. Here it is. It is a soft cake. Delicious cake. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.